Hello, welcome to Bhavin Sir English Academy. Speak English better with Bhavin Sir. You all know this is the series Basic English versus Advanced English. Let's continue. Normal English, instead of saying I am very tired, you say I am exhausted or I am worn out. In normal English, instead of saying that's an interesting article, you should say that's a fascinating article. Normal English, instead of saying sorry, I fell asleep, instead of saying I fell asleep, you should say sorry, I nodded off. Instead of saying I am happy to see you, you should say I am absolutely delighted to see you. Instead of saying it's a very cold outside, you should say it's a freezing outside. Instead of saying hurry up, we are getting late, you should say chop chop, we are getting late. Instead of saying that's a bad movie, you should say that's a terrible movie. Instead of saying good luck bro, you should say break a leg bro. Instead of saying that's a funny joke, you should say that's a hilarious joke. Instead of saying he is smart student, you should say he is a brilliant student. Okay, revise it in your daily routine and be a fluent in spoken English. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye. See you in a next video.